Hi, this video is about units conversion. So let's start with this example. If you would like to convert 45 microgram into kg. Alright, so you need to know your prefixes well. Personally, I like to start with the bigger unit. So kilogram is the bigger unit here. So I'll start with 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 gram. Alright, and if you know that 1 gram is equivalent to 10 to the power of 6 microgram, you can then figure out that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 times 10 to the power of 6 microgram. So this should give you 10 to the power of 9 microgram. So the next step will be, what is 1 microgram equivalent to? So just use a simple ratio. We should get 1 over 10 to the power of 9 kilogram. And you're almost at the final answer. So the next step will therefore be, what is 45 microgram equals to? Which is simply just 45 times 10 to the power of negative 9 kilogram. And to keep your answer to standard form, this will become 4.5 times 10 to the power of negative 8 kilogram. And there you go. That is your final answer. Now, let's move on to another example. Say we want to convert 450 centimeter square to meter square. Alright, so as what I shared with you, I prefer to work with the bigger unit first. So I'll figure out what 1 meter square is equals to. So 1 meter square is equals to 100 cm times 100 cm. And that should give me 10,000 cm square. Alright, then it becomes a very simple step of doing ratio. 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 over 10,000 meters square, and 450 cm square is therefore equals to 450 times 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4 meters squared. And to keep your answer to standard form, this will therefore become 4.5 times 10 to the power of negative 2 meters squared. And there you go. This is the answer for this conversion. Now, lastly, to convert slightly more complex units, for example, 450 gram per cm cube, you want to convert this density value to kilogram per meter cube. Same thing, you just start with the bigger unit. So say I will start with 1 kilogram over meter cube. Notice how I've written the units using a fraction form, and I will work on the numerator first. So I'll get 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and we will have to figure out what is 1 meter cube equivalent to. So 1 meter cube is equals to 100 cm times 100 cm times 100 cm cube. Alright, so with this, I can just plug this 100,000 cm cube into the fraction, and there you go. Just do some simple manipulation. We should get 1 over 1000 gram per cm cube. So 1 kilogram per meter cube is equivalent to this. So what you're looking for is 1 gram per cm cube is equals to 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And your answer is just one step away. 450 gram per cm cube is equivalent or is equal to 450 times 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And to keep this to proper standard form, this will become 4.5 times 10 to the power. Let's count the number of decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kilogram per meter cube. And this is your answer for this conversion.